I've just finished creating the dovetail cutouts here in the rafters, and I'm now just positioning everything back where it needs to be. I've got a mark here of the distance point to point that I can fix, and the next step then is to test the collar tie if it fits into the recesses. Let's see. That's tight. That's tight, but it's going in. How about the other end? Oh, yes. Okay. So I need to see if I can pull this down, or I'm going to have to shave it some more. I don't know. That's quite a bit of offset there, and I'm not. There we go. Now let me see if I can draw that down. Yeah, that's gonna go. That's tight, but that's gonna go. Now, this one back here needs that same. Let me give it a turn. Okay, that's down. Now, I'm ready to drill the pins, holes for the pins. I've got the template here, and that's where that one goes. There's a pin up here at the top, and I'm an inch and a half off here, and an inch and a half off here, roughly. So that's where the pin goes there. And there's a pin there. So I'm ready to drill the 3/4 diameter holes for the tenon pins. I've got the brace and bit for 3/4 inch tenon pins. Now I'll just drill this one here. I'm not going to go all the way through. I'll have to turn it over and finish it off so I don't have blowout on the other end. I'm close. There it is. I can feel the pin through. I'm going to stop and take this apart and finish off the hole from the other side. Yeah, I counted 21 rotations, and that gets the pin through the other side. There it is. Okay, I'll take it apart and finish off those holes.